Elsewhere in Kisumu County, Katolo, mixed from Nyando sub-county, has put aside their dismal show against Lucky Star performance, where they were eliminated through a technical rule against their arch-rivals Kisumu Day, despite leading 2-1. They have begun rebuilding again their side and hope that the new charges will be out to wrestle out with the title for their rivals as they aim to dine with the big boys in the national school games, which are set for later.
This year, tulifika counties finals, but na mambo na appeal ndo ilitutoa juu sabi yenye tulipiga ndo ilitucost. So next year pia tuko strong, tunaim kufika nationals ambayo lazima tufike juu zoezi tuko sawa.
Kisumu Day na Kisumu Boys tunakuja, bado tuko ndani, tuna train daily.
We conducted our trials in school here. Some we went one-on-one to where they were playing, we watched them, and we've gathered the right talent. Looking at the team we have currently, we are hopeful that this season, our team will be playing regionals, finals. That is our primary objective.
We have so many fields, football being the main one, but we also have volleyball, netball, handball, basketball, and above all, we have athletics also. Football is our main area, and as a school, we nurture talents. We get students from all over the country. Now that football is our main game, we actually have so many plans. Part of the plans that we have is to ensure that we have how to make it stronger, and we ensure that teams around here actually have it.
Apart from the academics, the talent is also being nurtured, and I'm very proud of him because of one thing, is gathering students from different parts of the nation, which means he's interested about nurturing talent in the whole nation and to feed our leagues and even national teams with the great talents from our school. I'm encouraging the scouts, the way you have done, let us come to the grassroots. We have talent at the grassroots. This talent at the grassroots is not being seen because the scouts, they usually target the teams that reach what? National level.
The school has been doing well in sports. Last year we reached country level, and next year we are trying to put measures in place to move even higher, regional up to national levels. We have received good students ready to continue with sporting activity, particularly soccer. Judging by this, I can foresee a better team than last year. My message to soccer fans is that next year it will be a better team than this year. I want to believe this has been demonstrated by the most recent friendly match that we went for. They did very well, and a very senior club in the area, we scored 3-0. That is an indication that next year we shall do better.
Liverpool now sailed through the round of 16 after